Guys, welcome to the PC Tips Pro, and in today's video we are going to see about how to compress video file without losing quality. So before getting into the video, if you guys haven't yet subscribed to the PC Tips Pro, please do subscribe. And now let's get started. I'm going to show you two ways by using which you can compress any of your videos in two different ways. So the first comes to be this online free tool, that is Veed.io. Go to this Veed.io, and in the products you can see there are many products that are available. They have some of the video editor tools like image to video and all, but something that is required for us is the video compressor. Now once you choose this video compressor, click on the choose video. Let us choose the video that we want to compress. Here we need to upload the file. Click on upload. Let me go to my place where my file is present. So let's say here is my file. This is my video. It is starting to upload. Once it is done, so I want my resolution to be original because I don't want to lose any of the quality, and this quality, like, let it be as it is. Click on the advanced if you want to change anything, like do you want to change this bitrate or anything. So let me just keep it to be the original and click on the compress video, and let us wait for the video to get compressed. Now you can see that the video has been uploaded and it is ready to download, and you can see that it is 83% smaller now. It is having 28.1 MB, but the original one was 138.1 MB. So let me, yeah, the original is 166.2 MB, which reduced approximately 138.1 MB, and it came down to 28.1 MB. Let's download this file and let us see how it is looking, the quality. And here you go. So this is the compressed one and this is the original one. So let us just check the sizes of these ones with the properties, that we can see the size of this particular file is 158 MB. And if I just go for the compressed one and click on the properties of this, I get it to be 26.8 MB, so which really reduce a lot of size. So let us just check the quality of the video. So firstly we'll check the original one. So this is how this original one looks like, and let us also go and check our compressed version. So our aim is to produce the same quality image, and you can see that they are similar to each other. They are almost same with their quality. So we have not lost any quality and we have compressed the video. So this is how you can do this with the Veed.io. And next comes the software that you can install on your PC. Install this handbrake.fr on your PC, and this works very similar to Veed.io. So if you want it to be locally on your PC, you can go for handbrake, and this Veed.io will only support you till 1 GB. If you want to go beyond 1 GB of video, you need to go for the pro version, which you can see on the website. Let us just go back to Veed.io and see the pricings of the Veed.io. Here we go with it. So here you can see that the free one is for your below 1 GB kind of thing, and if you go for the pro version, you can go beyond 1 GB and you can compress your files, and there are a lot more editing tools that you can use. It also supports many of the things, like you can see all this used products for the video editor and the subscription, transcription and the subtitles, toolkits, the trimmers, mergers and all. You can go for them also. So this is all for this video, guys. I hope you found this video useful to you, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to PC Tips Pro. Thank you for watching, guys.